eyes on the flag.
Hey,
That might have been the stupidest idea we've had.
They would have beat us to it this time though.
No, so what's funny.
the corner of the building behind the ref.
Oh my God.
Cameron, they're coming to you! Leave the soul.
Where's he at?
It's right there behind us.
You respawn back in our spot. No, not over there.
No, you go down to the hill.
Just go straight there and come back. Oh wait, after 3 people.
Hey, hold on. There's no point in throwing that smoke here. Hey. Cover me, shoot.
Where you going?
Where's he going?
You're going to get the smoke so bad.
I got that one on camera too.
Nope.
I got that one on camera too.
Hey, save it up.
Another yellow one.
That's it. That's it. Let him out.
3, 2, 1, blaze up.
Behind the building.
He can't reach, he can't reach, he can't either.
I'm talking about the little building.
Yeah, he's out.
Hey, you can cut up.
Head around to that building.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Alright, guys. Guys, I'm gonna make a run for it at 1 minute.
Take your gun off and I'll cover you.
Yeah, good work. I'm taking my vest off too. Where's that runner at? I'm gonna...
Right here, right here, right here.
Okay.
Hey, they're right there at the flag though.
It's alright. We got plenty of ammo.
That's not cheating.
Alright, 1 minute. Let's go, go, go. Somebody run, grab it, go.
What?
Grab it.
Go, gotta go.
Go, 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 go. Go.
Run it back, run it back, run it back.
Stop moving. What? You hit your auto hit.
What? What?
I wasn't hit.
It was bouncing off your back and your back.
You gotta go get it. I didn't either.